How to fix error_QUIC_protocol_error in Chrome. Solution, Step 1, disable QUIC protocol in Chrome. Hint, the QUIC protocol can be disabled under Chrome//flags. Step 2, restarting your computer, and if that doesn't work, reset your router, if any. Other voices on the web. 1. Check that you have the latest version of Chrome. 2. Check that you have the latest updates for Windows or Mac. 3. Try restarting the DNS client service. 4. Try switching to Google DNS. 5. Try resetting your computer's TCP/IP settings by running the below commands as admin: IP protocol configuration/release, IP protocol configuration/flush, IP protocol configuration/renew, netshare int, IP set DNS, netshare winsock reset. 5. Try removing and reinstalling Google Chrome. 6. Disable any active VPN/proxy. 7. Disable installed browser extensions one by one. 8. Scan your Windows 10 in its safe mode with networking. Here's how at https://goo.gl/5y4ih7. Via the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Disclaimer: any data files that are infected may only be cleaned by deleting the file entirely, which means there is a potential for data loss. Moreover, go to the C:\program files, x86, folder, C:\program files folder and the apps list and try clearing potentially unwanted programs manually.